Hey guys, this is Dinobot 12 here for another review, and I'll be reviewing Fuzors Air Hammer from the Fuzors line. As you can see, he is a cross between I think it's a hawk, and a hammerhead shark. It's kind of a strange combination, but yeah. Oopsie, sorry. Okay, whatever. Well, first for his paint scheme, it's very nice on his feathers. You can see that it's all like patterned and whatever. The blue is good. It kind of fades into the white a little bit, just a stitch. But he's got yellow eyes. It's pretty cool. His mouth does open. Yeah, articulation in this mode is, oh, and his feathers are in the back too, which is kind of cool. But, articulation in this mode is pretty much just his feet. I mean, his tail can kind of move, but I don't know why I would use that in the air. But, his legs can go out, back, knee movement or whatever, swivel, ankle or foot movement, kind of. What else? You can't really go forward, but yeah, that's about it. On the transformation, I guess it's pretty simple. Just undo his little hand thingy and flip his head back, and you just pop out his like leg type things. Hang on. It's white, so it's kind of hard to see. Then you just take this blue thing and you flip that up right there, and then you push it down. Actually, no. First, you flip out his head. Or after, oopsie, my part does not stay on, but flip out his head from his chest. Oh, and as you can see on his chest, he does have his rub sign in there. Kind of hard to see, but whatever. And so, yeah, you just put his, kind of move his legs out of the way. There, oh, there we go. Okay, there, I did it wrong, but so there, and you just get his thigh or waist and click it together, and kind of get out his little sword and straighten out his jaw thingy, and straighten out his legs a little bit, and there you have Fuzors Air Hammer and robot mode. It's a nice robot mode. The only problem is mine is loose, but I got it out of the box. It's been sitting on my shelf, but so yeah, the paint scheme is pretty good. Got the blue chest. His head is nicely colored with the blue stripes, and I don't think you can see that, but and the yellow eyes, like a beast mode. Articulation, oopsie. His arm can move out, in, swivel, up, and no 360, but legs are the same as his beast mode, except now he can go all the way out. He's got more articulation in this mode in terms of his legs, I guess. Head can do a 360. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. This is Dinobot 12 here, and thanks for watching. And next time, I'll be reviewing Fuzors Sling, I think. Yeah. Okay. Bye.